how to replace the car battery for the Toyota Prado 2020 to 2025. Okay, so before we start, we need to get a replacement battery. I've got here a Century ultra high performance battery. This is the model for the car, and it's around $300 for this battery. Okay, on the old battery, we need to remove this two connector. So there is a bolt here. You need to unscrew that and open up this on the positive side. Just open up the cover. You can just simply flip it up like that. Then we open that as well. Here I've got a spanner socket size 10. So you need size 10, and then just simply put it in here, and we'll try to open it. Okay, so that's loose. Here we do the same on this side. Okay, so here I can just lift up and get it out of the way, and just simply make sure you hand unscrew this and make this fairly loose, and then we can just again simply pull up like so. Okay, now in the center here there is also a bracket tightened to hold down the battery so it doesn't move when we drive. Simply unscrew these two here, and then we lift up this top bracket. Okay, so using the spanner here, you can turn it, and then once it is a bit loose, you can use your hand and then kind of basically turn it with your hand. The same over here. Once it becomes loose, you can turn it with the hand. You don't have to take it all the way out, just enough so that you can take this one out. Okay, so this one needs a bit more. You need to unscrew it a little bit more. Okay, and once you have unscrewed enough, you should be able to move the sticks out of the way, and then lift this one up, and then we move this one here out of the way. Now instead of taking this one off, we can simply just try to move it to the side like this, so that we don't have to screw it back on later on. Then next we're just going to move this battery out of the way. Now because the car is quite high, so what we do is I'm just going to put like a fabric here, a towel or anything that you have, so that you can place the battery on here if it gets too heavy, and then we can move it down to the ground. Especially useful if this battery does not have a handle. Some battery have a handle here, but this particular one does not have a handle. Okay, so I've moved the battery out. This is the empty spot, and this is the battery. Okay, next, make sure we align the tray. There's a hole down here. You can see there's a hole down here. Make sure the tray aligns and sit within the hole, and then we can put in the new battery. Okay, everything looks nice and secure now. We close the cover. Okay, and now it's time to test the car. And so good. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find the video helpful, please consider like and subscribe for more videos.